Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. To returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you. And if you're just joining me for the very first time, thank you so much. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bells, and guess what guys, we're about to have a ride of a lifetime. Straight to my gist. So last night we saw Jackie B and Perry in a conversation. And in this conversation, we see Jackie B telling Perry that she can only catch cruise in the house as she's not planning to date anyone in the house. And I'm wondering what happened to Michael. Now, she says that she cannot date Michael in the house and even outside of the house because it has been breeding disrespect to her all the while. And of course, she's got nothing to do with Michael anymore.
I don't mind being friends with him, but I'm not planning to. I'm not planning to be in a relationship with him. I don't want that. He's cool and everything. I like him, more, but I don't want that whole relationship thing in the house.
Remember that Jackie B and Michael have been having issues since Saturday night's party after Angel was seen all over him, right? So right now she goes on to say that Michael is for the streets and she's going to leave him to find whoever he likes and he wants to be with.
I didn't mind cruising in the house, but it's bringing a lot of disrespect and I can't do that shit. So I'm just gonna say it's not actually what it is.
What would you rather he does?
Nothing. It's cool. I'd rather him and because I think she likes him. I think she does like him. I'll honestly. Yeah, whichever one it is, I'm leaving him for the street. Let him do his thing. He'll probably find someone that he might actually end up liking a lot and wanting to be in a relationship with. Do you understand? I can't defend that.
Meanwhile, Angel is sitting in a conversation with Michael and he's telling Michael that, you know what, the issue between herself and Jackie B is something that she's still surprised about, that she feels that Jackie B does not see her as a genuine friend.
Right. So it's more like a new thing, and it just means that she genuinely doesn't see me as her friend because I know I don't really like Sam and and I've had that conversation with him as well. But it's the same way I'll see Jackie rubbing his head and I'll just be like, oh Jackie, because I know that she's like, it's nothing.
She goes on to say that if she wants Michael to herself, she's going to go for Michael and then nothing will stop her as she doesn't owe Jackie B anything.
Messy situation. If I wanted to be messy, like there's nothing that's going to happen if I go for you, like if I'm like, okay, because in the grand scheme of things I've only known her for 4 weeks, 3, or in the 4th week. I don't owe her shit. I mean, I know we're friends in the house, in court. Maybe that's how I viewed her, because I feel like if she viewed me like that, like we wouldn't be having this conversation. Maybe she sees me as a competition or something, I don't know.
Now, one thing that caught my attention was the fact that you remember that Angel and Jackie B were having a conversation one time, and where Angel was asking Jackie B if she likes Obonga. You remember that video, right?
There's an attraction for sure, so it gets easier. I've been thinking about that. I don't know, man. I'm not sure if this size is like, you know. You like Obonga? Never. Okay, then there's no more than that person that you like, so it's going to like open and stuff. Okay, so there's no
Right now, we see Angel conversing with Michael, and she's beginning to tell Michael some details that herself and Jackie B conversed about in the garden.
There was one time we were in the garden. I sit her down, I'm like, so do you like him? She says, she enjoys your company, blah, 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 but you're younger than her, I think by a year.
Yeah.
You're younger than her, and yeah, she says something about you not being interested in monogamy. Did you guys have a conversation?
Not directly, but I've mentioned it a few times.
We eventually see Michael and Angel in the kitchen as midnight chefs, and these guys look like they're beginning to bond well.
Like that.
Is that your plate?
Yeah. Don't leave this one out. It feels very neglected. Thanks.
Moving on to my next gist, Sasuke seems to be confused because last night we found her on Cross's laps and both of them were in the lounge and they were laughing and playing all that.
Me, they say Scott.
My wife is there. Yes, my future husband just like
I don't have anything that I don't know. You know all my secrets.
That
don't you?
To what?
that chicken in that bowl? Usually chicken they to wrap like that.
No, but none of you are sleepy, yo. And I go die this night. And I know I play game with me. After all the sleep, we slept this afternoon. Those who want to play should come here.
If you want to play Whisper and come to the sitting room, let's go.
Piece number 1.
And then we find Sasuke in Cross's bed at night. She's rubbing Cross's head and playing with his hair. And they were having a conversation. And I'm wondering, where's J. Paul?
You see, Papa,
I don't know why I'm so fucking fun. No.
Did you sleep this afternoon?
You know, for me, once I lie down, I just thank God. Thank God for the joy. And that's it.
And then boom, in the early hours of this morning, I look at my TV and I find Sasuke in the bed with J. Paul. And I'm wondering, how did the transition happen? Moving on to my next gist, Tega has come out to say that if she was single, she would have given Nini a run for Saga, as she doesn't like the fact that Nini is playing with Saga's emotions.
I say, if to say me, are they single? See this way Nini they do so. I for let her know say real babe they. He say anything. Like I'll make sure that you cry. You will cry. Till you start to do open campaign, I'll need to nominate this sticker. Let's nominate this sticker out. No, nobody do man like that, man. Like I legit feel terrible.
JMK also went ahead to say that, you know what, she finds Saga a lot more attractive than Cross, who the housemates feel that is the crush of everybody, that she finds Saga more attractive.
Yeah. He's such a sweet boy. If he wasn't in that situationship, bruh, a lot of girls would they, you know how you people think Cross is everybody's crush. Now Saga, I find Saga more attractive.
Tega went on to say that Saga will move on if Nini is evicted. That, come on, if Nini is evicted now, Saga will move on.
If Nini come out before him, Saga will move on to the Bible.
No, you go move on. You go there for a little bit down because people they will go rush him now. people they will go probably. People they will go rush him.
Who did this house again?
People still there with me 20.
Who did?
Guy, just flow with them. In the words of
who did? Nobody did.
Free your mind.
On the other hand, last night, the housemates were having a game, and of course, Saga and Nini were asked to kiss themselves, and here was the weird kiss. With their hands in their bag, they tried to share a kiss. Quite a number of people slept in each other's bed last night. We saw Perry and Maria sleeping in the same bed. We saw Sasuke and Cross in the same bed, and eventually we saw in J. Paul's bed. We saw White Money and, of course, Queen in the same bed. And, of course, as usual, we saw Liko, Rose, and Emmanuel in the same bed.
If I know where to sleep on my bed.
What's up with your bed?
You don't like in bed again?
I want warmness.
I don't know what happened. I mean, I might hit the woman because I had to touch her. Maybe the heat from the side of my body and the touch her. If you don't know where clothes you go like that for this bed, I just realized I went to.
Please go to the comment section and let's continue our conversations there. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bells, and guess what? You get notified whenever I post a video. Go on all social media platforms on Facebook and Instagram, on Twitter, and of course on TikTok, and follow me at Femi Daniel. And until next time I come your way very soon, it's bye for now.